Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited today to share this order I just got from Simon Says Stamp. I've been very good all year, and I have not purchased craft supplies. So this was my first purchase, and it was a big one. As you all may have seen in recent videos from various YouTubers, the wonderful blending brushes put out by Simon Says Stamp are available for purchase. So, ta-da! I got the brushes. I like them because, first of all, I like that the bristles are white and that the handles are color-coded. I like that they come in two sizes, so I did go ahead and purchase both. I like that they have these covers. That way I'm not getting cross-contamination when I put my brushes away. So I'm really, really excited to start playing with these. So I wanted to come on and just share a real quick unboxing of what I bought. So aside from my beautiful blender brushes, which let me get them all out, I like that there's even one for grays, because I think sometimes we forget about our grays because, you know, we're making beautiful rainbows. So we forget about the grays and black and white. So I like that we have that option. And it looks like I have some ants on my box. It was outside. So here's all my blending brushes. I bought the 2 sets, which I think was a great deal. And the blending brushes I have now, I will use for my dye inks, because that's what I've been using them for. And these I will save and use for my oxide inks. So this set is going to be specifically for my oxides. My existing brushes that I have, I will use for my dye-based inks. And since I had placed an order, there were some other items I wanted to get. My Amalgam Ink Pad that I have from Gina, for some reason, here, let's see if I can find it. Here it is. It was like getting dewy inside, and I don't know why. I cleaned it up. Hopefully that fixed it, but just in case it didn't, I got a backup as well as re-inker. So I added that to my order. I also ordered Gina K's Master Layouts 3. I have Master Layouts 1 and 2 already. So I like this one. I like the little banner dies and the stitch circles. So I'm going to add this to my collection of Gina K Master Layouts. And then I got this beautiful mod layering leaves stencil. I blame Kathy Zilski for this purchase. So after I saw her use these beautiful blending brushes and use the layering stencil, I immediately went on and bought them. So just wanted to share. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.